Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a quick way I apply HTV onto a t-shirt. If that's something that interests you, then keep on watching. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. In this video, I'm using my ratchet blade. This blade has to be manually adjusted, so here you see me using the tool to adjust this blade to a 1 so that way I can cut out my HTV. Once that's all adjusted, I'm just going to insert it back into the silhouette and then get ready to cut. So it does take a few minutes to cut out. Once the design's all cut out, you're going to be left with this. So what I like to do is I like to flip it over and peel off my mat from the HTV. I find this way easier, that way the HTV doesn't rip or I don't have any issues with it whatsoever. And if I have a lot of excess HTV, I like to just grab my pair of scissors and cut off all the excess that's left over. Alright, and here I'm just going to do a quick video of me weeding my HTV. The weeding process is different for everyone. I just grab a little weeding tool, make a little insert on the edge, and then kind of just pull. If the design has been cut out correctly, then this should be no problem whatsoever. You see me just kind of ripping it off here. So always make sure that the blade is new and sharp, so that way you don't have issues in this process, because if your blade is not sharp, you will have the part of the design kind of being ripped up with it, and that's not what we want. Alright, once that's all done being weeded, we're going to go ahead and head over to press the t-shirt. HTV is super simple and easy to press. All I like to do is I like to preheat my t-shirt for about 5 seconds to remove any moisture from the t-shirt itself. Then I like to go ahead and grab a lint roller and lint roll the shirt. I know this step is optional. I just prefer to lint roll all my t-shirts before pressing any of them. There is many different ways to center your design on your t-shirt. I'm going to use a method where I fold the t-shirt in half, press it, make a line down the middle. That way whenever I get my design, I can do the same thing with my design. So I'm doing the same thing with my design. I grab my design, fold it in the middle, get it nice and centered. That way all I have to do is align the line from the design with the line of the t-shirt. This method is probably the easiest, aligning your design with the line on the t-shirt. That way everything is nice and centered. You can always grab a ruler and just double check to make sure everything is even, centered, and aligned correctly. And once you have everything how you want it, what I like to do is I just grab a piece of Teflon paper, put that over my design, and then I press my t-shirt. Every type of HTV is different, so just make sure you're reading the instructions on your HTV. My HTV requires to be pressed at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. I like to go ahead and press it for about 5 seconds just to make sure that the design sticks onto the t-shirt. I just go ahead and peel that off. After I peel it off, I go ahead and grab my piece of Teflon sheet again and put that over the design to protect my heat press, and then press that for an additional 10 seconds at 320 degrees for 10 seconds now. So that's 15 seconds in total. It's 5 seconds to press it to get the design to stick onto the t-shirt, and then an additional 10 seconds to make sure everything is stuck and intact. And that's all. HTV is pretty simple to use. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to assist you. If you have any video ideas that you would like for me to shoot, then go ahead and drop them down below and I will do my best to make that happen. I greatly appreciate you watching this video. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.